Hi there, these are the THERAPISPA Spray Face Serum. It's available in 3 amazing scents and an unscented option as well. So the 3 scents are Gold, Phyto, and Vitamin. And unlike ordinary facial mist, this product delivers the powerful efficacy of a serum but in mist form. So it's also going to hydrate deeply while improving your skin texture, brightening, and addressing those fine lines and wrinkles. This is a unique blend that provides both instant refreshment and long-term skincare benefits. It's packed with active ingredients like 2% niacinamide for brightening and evening out your skin tone, 0.3% panthenol, which provides intense hydration and strengthens the skin barrier, while 0.04% of adenosine combats wrinkles and boosts skin elasticity for a youthful appearance. And the signature scents are developed by expert fragrance artisans to enhance the sensory experience. Each scent is crafted with clean, natural ingredients to complement the skincare benefits, ensuring a luxurious experience for every use. This is great for on the go. It's super portable with its sleek packaging. It's designed for convenience and can easily be carried in your bag, making it perfect for use anytime, anywhere. Simply hold it 12 inches away from your face, spray, and you're ready to go.